decrease the font size. Now we're gonna do some. We are gonna set some cookies. Yum 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 yum. Set font size. That's any value of the font size we're gonna set. We're gonna see set cookie. Name of cookie is font size. Values file and time. Yeah, I have no idea what this is. In the sense that this just has the time, right? I don't know how much it is. I have to check to find out. But yeah, what we're doing here is setting a cookie. I know that. Yes, I know that. Alright. So here we set the cookie, and now we're gonna get the cookie function get font size. So fs we can get the value of the cookie. Otherwise, the default size is px. Return fs. So this should be good. So in play, we're just going to increase the size by 5. And if we're going to do that, we can't have px in it. Oh my, oh my, oh my. So you're gonna add one more section, get stored font size. And now we can get the actual get font size. And now we can return that. Great. If you're setting the actual, but we're not setting the actual value, we're just going to increase it by 5 or decrease it by 5. So, get font size and set font size plus 5. That's literally what we're going to do. We're going to do it here as well, except we're going to minus it. And then, and the default font size should be 55. And then, in play, what we're going to see here is get stored font size. Alright, so let's check that out. Decrease, 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 increase, 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 next. So we can decrease the font size. I believe it's been decreased, and we can increase it.